the tragic incident of capsizing of the boat off Calangute beach is not something which was unexpected. We already had a recent tragedy at the gateway of India where a boat with so many passengers going to Elephanta Caves capsized. And it was a warning sign for many other boat owners or boat operators to put their house in order. Greed takes place over the lives of people. When a boat has a capacity, one cannot and should not exceed the capacity of passengers in that boat. Secondly, what is the safety gear which is available and which is provided and also fit to be used, which the operator has to provide. I want to ask the captain of ports who authorizes the operation of these boats and the concerned departments, including the tourism department, what kind of measures are you taking to ensure that these pleasure boats or boat rides, thrill rides, whatever they are providing, firstly, are not exceeding the rule relating to the number of passengers. Secondly, what kind of precaution are you taking to ensure that every passenger in the boat has got safety equipment on, whether that person can swim or cannot swim? Asking for penalty, asking for compensation, these are all secondary matters. We cannot let tragedies unfold day by day. And time has come to pull up the authorities for their laxity and not pass off the blame on the operator. But they equally are responsible, not just for giving clearances, collecting fees and allowing the operations. And it is their prime responsibility to make sure that if they spare the rod, they will spoil the child. And therefore, they need to wield a stick firmly to make sure that we don't have tragedy which affects any other person, including members of our family.